Whilst NFTs are becoming more and more popular as we go further into 2021, NFTs on platforms such as OpenSea, for example, which run on the ERC20 network, the Ethereum blockchain, are becoming extremely expensive. What I mean is the gas fees are really expensive when you want to actually buy NFTs. So for example, if there is say maybe a $10 NFT that I want to buy with Ethereum, I might actually have to pay up to 3 times the price just in the gas fees. So I may end up paying $40 for an NFT with the gas fees included when the NFT that I just wanted to buy just costed only $10. So unless people are in the market for buying NFTs that are maybe like $1,000 and they're happy to actually pay $30 gas fees, all little guys that just want to get in and buy those cheaper NFTs, in my personal opinion, are going to miss out. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about an NFT platform, Twinsy.io, that is running on the Binance Smart Chain, that is going to be one of these NFT platforms that is going to solve this issue with the gas fees. As you may understand, Binance Smart Chain gas fees are extremely low. So for that $10 NFT, you might only be paying something like 10 cents in gas fees. So we're going to be buying an NFT off Twinsy.io in real time today and checking out the platform in a little bit of detail. So stay tuned if you want to check that out. Also folks, if you like making money and you like NFTs, then drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel and turn those notification bells on. And do remember, I am not your financial advisor. These videos are never financial advice. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so first thing is first, we are on app.twinsy.io. I will leave all the links for this in the description of this video, so make sure you do check it out and connect with their socials as well through this platform, okay? So I'll leave all the links in the description of this video. So we are on sort of the home page here at the moment. So if we just go through a bit of a run through, you can actually search for some NFTs in here, okay? So you can see my last search was travel there, okay? We've got the news feed here. We've got an explore section, a my collectibles section, a how it works section, a blog section, a frequently asked questions section, and a section where you can actually submit your own NFT. You've got the notifications tab up the top, and that's your twin balance there, okay? So your twin balance is set there. So I currently have one twin, so I'm going to find an NFT to purchase with that today, okay? And what I really like, a pretty cool feature as well, is you've got the top sellers here, sort of in the corner here. So Andrew's at the top, and we got Jenny, and then we got landscape, okay? And if we click this little down arrow, you can actually change that to buyers, and you can actually see the top buyers for the day as well, okay? Art Deco, Girl Crypto, and Darren Lau, okay? So there have been some nice purchases today, as we can see, 1,355 USDT from Art Deco. He's bought something today, and then Girl Crypto has bought something for 1,312 USDT as well. If we have a look here, ladies and gentlemen, you can look at all the NFTs, you can look at the art NFTs, index ones, games, metaverses, domains, music, DeFi, and memes. And if we scroll on the arrow here, there's a little more button here. So let's check out an NFT that we can purchase in real time for 1 Twinsy token. So if we scroll down here, there's some nice artwork here, okay? So we've got wolf artwork here, Twinsy logo here, castle. Okay, Diner Acid here. I quite actually like the Peaceful Village, okay, but this one's 5 twin and I've only got 1 twin to spend, okay? So in the art section, I like that one there. Cat Joker is pretty cool, ready to fight. That one looks pretty nice as well. If we click load more, that's a pretty trippy one there. What do you reckon, Village? 270 twin for that one. If we keep scrolling down, actually, I quite like that one, 9.99 twin. Kind of a social media dude there. Okay, nice bit of artwork there. 5 twin. 1 twin here, okay, that girl, okay, maybe I'm gonna go for that girl, 1 twin, 1 of 1. Let's have a look. Alrighty folks, so I've opened up the that girl NFT. It's gonna cost 1 twin, which is 4.23 US cents, okay. It's 1 of 1, there's some info there. The owner is Landscape, the creator is Landscape, and it says here, folks, just take note, I really like this little bit here, 10% of sales will be paid to the original creator, okay, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna have a go at buying that right now. As you can see here, folks, the checkout information is coming up. You're about to purchase that girl from, that's the address there, okay, of Landscape. Check information and then proceed to payment, okay? So let's process the payment. There's 0 service fee, which I really like as well. Process. It's saying follow steps to approve. That's going to then come up in my MetaMask balance in just a moment. And I'm going to confirm this one, folks. It's 0.002921 BNB to put this through. So that's roughly around 10 cents at today's price of BNB. And we'll just let that load up. And congratulations to me, you successfully purchased that girl from Landscape. The transaction hash is there, success, let's show off a title. And what I really like as well, guys, you've got the opportunity to show it off on your Twitter, your Facebook, or your Telegram, which is pretty nice. So we're gonna X out of that one now. Then we're gonna go over and have a look at the My Collectible section, and hopefully it shows there. And as expected, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. That girl, not for sale, because I haven't put it up yet. One of one, okay? That's my public address information there for my Binance Smart Chain through MetaMask. I haven't put my profile picture up yet, but it's really cool. You can actually update your cover photo here, and you can actually put in your little display picture there as well. Then I've just filled out my information, ladies and gents. Satoshi Aoki is the display name. I put my little display picture on there. That's my little custom URL there, which is pretty cool. My bio is just NFT collector and crypto YouTuber, and you can update your profile there. And how cool is that, ladies and gentlemen? The layout looks fantastic. There it is, Satoshi Aoki, investing, Bitcoin and crypto and wealth mindset. There's my little display picture there, and the banner looks absolutely fantastic, and there's my NFT section there in the My Collectible section. I love the layout. Alrighty folks, so before we do wrap out the video, I just want to show you the section here of the Twinsy blog, okay? So they've got a whole plethora of great information if you want to learn more about NFTs, and more specifically about the Twinsy NFT platform through Binance Smart Chain, okay? So we've got the nice blog here, okay? Binance Community, Safe Power Wallet, CoinMarketCap, April update, how to farm Twin on Launch Zone Pool X, instructions on how to buy and sell NFT collectibles on Twinsy, how to create NFTs on Twinsy, and instruction on how to connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain using Twinsy. So I really like that as well, okay? We scroll over to the frequently asked questions, okay? So before you get, too caught up on things, if you've got any questions or concerns, okay, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section of this video if you do, but they got a great frequently asked questions section here. NFTs, ERC21 tokens, what are they? What does minting mean? What is unlockable content? How does the royalty system work? Can I create an NFT on Twinsy.io without putting it on sale? Can I change the price of an already created collectible? What's verification? What is Twin token? And why is it being distributed? So we're actually going to go and open that one. I'm just going to have a read through this, okay, because I think it's some good information to sort of understand the pure utility of the Twin token. So Twin is a Twinsy token on the NFT market. You can use Twin tokens to buy and sell NFT products that you like, and you will receive a lot of special offers when using Twin tokens to pay. Profits from sharing revenue with art creators and collecting fees for DApp NFT transactions will be burned quarterly, and the more active the NFT market is, the less the total supply of NFTs will be. This helps the Twinsy token to grow well. In the long term, the more popular the platform becomes, the more people want to hold shares as an investment. The business is worth more, and the token will be accepted for sale on the most major cryptocurrency exchanges of the world. Maybe Binance, that would be cool to get a listing there. And we believe that from 2020 onwards, digital art creation, buying and selling of NFT products will occupy a large market share in the cryptocurrency market. I have to agree with them on that one. Then we got some more sections up here, folks, at the home section, information about the farming, the roadmap, back to the blog, some events, and all of their socials are up the top there as well. And the way I sort of got over to that one here was just here, ladies and gents. So I was literally just going back to the Twinsy homepage here, and it's all here, ladies and gents. So top of screen here, you've got everything, the collectible section, how it works, the blog, the frequently asked questions that I did sort of talk about before. Something that I actually did notice as well, ladies and gentlemen, is that they have a how it works section here as well. So I'm not going to go into detail of these videos here, but I love this, okay? So easy to understand, short, concise, 1-minute tutorials, connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain, how to create NFTs on Twinsy, how to buy and sell NFT collectibles on Twinsy, all less than 2 minutes. I like it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so that is all I have for you in today's video about Twinsy.io and the Twin token. So drop me a like on this video and subscribe to the channel and turn those notification bells on if you do enjoy NFTs, and let me know what you think about the Twin token. My personal opinion is that there definitely is some market share sort of for NFT platforms on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, okay? So it'll be good to see some more sort of established brands coming on board as time goes on, because a lot more of the sort of established artists actually using ERC20, okay? It's ERC20 dominant, and Binance Smart Chain is kind of just still in its infancy stages when it does come to sort of NFT. So I think, if Twinsy.io can keep doing a good job and, stay up with trends and perhaps seal some good artists and get some good artists that want to use Binance Smart Chain, can see the benefits of lower gas fees and sort of maybe even faster transactions as well, I think there's going to be some good market share and some good profit potential going forward, okay? So make sure you do never invest more than you can afford to lose. And again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and from wherever you are watching from in the world, have a blessed day and have a profitable one in the crypto space, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Cheers.